This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 30 of building Roocop. In this issue, we're continuing with the right leg. We've got Evil changes its face. Don't recognise that. Leader of the nuke cult ends up transferred into a robot. Does he? I don't remember that. It's obviously not from the first film, because I've only recently seen the first film. Was the nuke in the second film? I don't remember. But you can read all about it if you like. This is the right leg support. It's the back bracket thing, which we're doing, and then fitting onto the foot and leg from last time. So we'll get to that. After looking at real-world robotics, what have we got? The rescue team. Yeah, using robots to go and rescue people. Robotic dogs. Very, very cool. There we go. Digital scent technology. Yeah, we've got screens and speakers and things, but we don't have digital scents. It's very strange, but yeah. Don't have digital taste either. We've got tactile. So it won't be long before we get there. So yeah, there we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this leg built. Right, we've got some assembly to do before we need the leg. We've got to put the little ball in the socket, which will go on there like that, and that one will go on there like that. We've got 2 BP screws, which will hold that securely. This is the part that I managed to break on the other leg. So I shall be especially careful not to do that on this one, because frankly it's a bit of a pain getting it apart to put it back properly. I'd rather not do that. So there we go, that is going on there right way round, and the 2 screws will hold that in place. Through there. Oh, get the screw on the end of the screwdriver. It works so much better than having it on the side. That one in there. That wasn't in there. The screw's gone on the side again. I thought it wasn't tightening up properly. That's the downside to not tightening screws up fully first time. Don't really notice if you're not tightening them up fully the first time. That's in there. That's better. Now get the other side done. Exactly the same through a different screw hole. So that one through there doesn't need to be silly tight. I don't think it broke because it was tight. I think it broke because I'm an idiot. So yeah, that needs to be able to move, and it can. It's not going anywhere, so I'm happy with that. There we go. Then we need the foot. We're going to attach this onto this tube, but the tube's got a plug on the end, so we need to attach it from the other end. So we need to remove the screw from in there. So I'm assuming they give us a spare screw for that, in case we lose the one that we've just taken out. But we're taking that off of there. We are, what are we doing? First things first. Let's put that on. And then that goes on the end of it. Yeah, okay. So you don't need that yet. This goes on there. It goes on that way round, because the lower bit's got to be the lower bit. That goes on there like so. Then we can put it back in there, because that is going to join up inside there like the other side, like the other leg did. So that needs to go back in there with the screw going back in it. Cool. That's on there, and then this will go on the end there. I can't remember which way round. It won't rotate when it's on there. So let me check. I don't know if it matters. It's got it sort of sideways on there, but I've got mine with the shape piece on the back. So just like I did that one. So that's going to go on there. That's going to go in there like that, but it actually attaches to the other side, I think. And there we have another leg starting off the opposite of that one. So all good. I'm liking it a lot. It's coming together nicely. And yeah, that foot, yeah, it feels okay. Feels about as tight as the other one. So you might have trouble standing up, but I'm sure it'll be fine. That'll do for now. So thank you very much for watching. Join me next month for more Robocop, but join me soon for other part works. So stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.